everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out the December Macy's Beauty Box. So I am very excited about this one, you guys. So I don't know that I've ever seen one come up and kind of look like it was for a specific holiday or anything, but this one, the little descriptions and the email pop-ups I got made it look like it's a holiday edit and something special, but I couldn't see enough of that tiny little thumbnail and I couldn't make it bigger, so I don't know what's in here. So I'm excited to check this out with you guys and see what's in the Macy's Beauty Box for December. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box and how to get it, you just go Google Macy's Beauty Box or go to the website and type in Beauty Box as your search and this will come up. It is $15 a month plus tax, so it's like 16 and change, and it will be every now and then you'll get a full-size product, but most of the time you get deluxe samples and sometimes little dinky samples. But it's always a good value. It's always fun. It's not always extremely amazing, but sometimes it's incredible. So I cannot wait to see which way this one goes. So let's see what's inside this one. I always remember my little perforation helper friend here. I wonder if all the times I got the box stuck to my hand, it had the perforation, or if this is new. Because you can unpeel it and it will flat out glue itself to you. Okay, so inside the box, we have our tissue paper. So I don't know if we have a surprise item in here. I don't know if it's a takeover box. I did just see the coupon. So we have a coupon for $10 off a $40 purchase from Macy's. And that is the discount code, first come first serve on that one, but that's a fun one. But $10 off 40 right now. They've got a lot of good deals going on some of the advent calendars and different things. Hopefully it will work on that. I don't know, but the little wrapping has got, they must have somebody new wrapping it. They used to wrap it up so nice and neat, and now it's just they just kind of oops, stuff is falling out. Okay, so I'm going to unwrap it and see what we got. Oh, we did get a surprise item, so here's a quick look. This is not a takeover. This is just random deluxe samples. So it does look like some good ones. Oh, this is cute. I'm going to show you our little surprise item first. And this is something that is not technically included in what they consider the value for the box. This is just an extra for you. And this one is a red, glittery, oh, and really pretty hair clip. And this one actually might not be too big for my little bit of hair. I might try that for the holidays. How pretty is that? It's got a good spring to it. It's kind of like a banana clip shape to it, which is weird, but that just means it'll let your hair be fuller in the middle, and it's small enough on the clamp to grab little bits of hair like what I got. So that's pretty. So let's see what else we got. Cannot wait. Okay, so our first, Elemis. Our first thing I'm grabbing is an Elemis Superfood. And this is the Glow Firming Moisturizer. So we have an Elemis Moisturizer. That's, oh, I'm trying to get the glare, you guys. The Elemis Moisturizer, that is really a great product. And this is a 20 mil. So this is 2/3 of an ounce size. So that's really good. I'm going to have to check and see what the full size of this is and how much it sells for. I'll put it here in the corner. But typically, Elemis sells for a bunch of money. So this is probably the value of our box right here. So let's see what else we got. I'm going to go for our tiny. We have the tiniest little tiny. Okay, so we have a tiny little smash box, and I think this is a primer. This says Photo Finish Eliminate Glow Primer with Vitamin C. This is a sunscreen complex, and this is 0.17 of an ounce. So we have almost 2/10 of an ounce of this one, so it's not a lot. It's actually a tiny little bit, but that is our Smashbox Tiny Primer sample. Next, we have a Kate Somerville, and this is the Exfoliate. So we have a little Kate Somerville product. And this one is, this is 1/4 of an ounce size, so that's pretty decent. And this is the Intense Exfoliating Treatment. So if you have trouble with dry skin and you need to get rid of those dry patches and the dead skin that's kind of building up, this is something that should work for you. I get usually a little bit of dry patches on my cheeks in the winter time, so this might be something that I will use for that. Our fourth product is a Skin Gem Red Carpet Gold Eye Patch. So this is eye masks. And the Gold Foil Eye Mask from Skin Gym. And it says it has Bacachol, CoQ10, and hyaluronic acid. And I might be saying that bottom one wrong. If I'm saying that bottom one wrong, somebody correct me in the comments. But that's what is in this one. Skin Gym is a fairly good Skin Gym is a fairly good company. This would be considered a full-size product if they sell this in a single option. Typically, eye masks are sold in a box, so I'll have to check and see if this is sold singly or if it's sold just in a box and how many you get and how much it costs, and we'll see how much this one's worth. There is one more thing in here, and we have a Carolina Herrera. This is the Good Girl. I think this is the original. This is the original. Oh, this is Very Good Girl, and this is the elixir. So this is the one that comes in the red shoe. And this is the Very Good Girl elixir. My sister collects the little bottles, the little shoes, but I don't know if she can wear this fragrance or not, but we'll try it. But the bottle is actually got the pink perfume, and this is probably a little 3 ml little sample of it, but we haven't gotten a perfume in a hot minute from Macy, so that's pretty good. So we got our perfume, we got our eye mask, we got our Elemis, we got Kate Somerville, and we got Smashbox, and, whoops, we're dropping things, and, whoops, and we got our really cool hair clip. So we got 6 products in here. This would be a full size, obviously, but it should be our surprise item. But our 5 products for the box are actually really good this time. So I'm excited. Cannot wait to see if Krista can wear the perfume or not. She's a little iffy on the Carolina Herrera, whether she can handle more kinds of fragrances now, but she doesn't always like, she loves the shoes, but she doesn't always like the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfumes, which is funny because Krista's favorite perfume back in the day was the Carolina Herrera, I don't remember, but she had a favorite Carolina Herrera one she loved, but the Good Girl ones are a little hit and miss on whether she likes them or not, but that was great. All right, tell me what you guys think in the comments. Do you guys get your Macy's box? If you don't, let me know if you sign up after watching the video. I'd love to hear if you guys want to check it out. Somebody did leave in the comments that they did not have to wait the month to get the new subscription like I thought you had to still do. So when I signed up in November, and I didn't get my first box until January. But I think they were saying that whatever month they signed up in, they got the next month. So that's really cool. So let me know what your experience is when you sign up, if you've had it before, if you had to wait or not. But do you keep your subscription going all the time? Do you stop it? Do you start it? What do you do with your subscriptions? I would love to know. If you did enjoy this video, please hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, hit notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, I want to thank you for joining me and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.